Welcome to Review Rumble. The best splash pad is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to keep your little ones cool and entertained during the hot summer months, transforming your backyard into a mini water park that promises hours of fun and laughter. Imagine the sheer joy on their faces as they run through refreshing sprays and gentle streams, creating unforgettable memories right at home. This isn't just a toy, it's an experience that encourages active play, sensory exploration, and a much-needed break from screens, making it an essential addition to your family's summer adventures. Number 5. Intex 57453 EP Multicolor Rainbow Slide Inflatable Pool. Transform your backyard into a world of adventure. Ignite your child's imagination with this brightly colored design and fun games, all while staying cool. This play center features a wading pool, a main pool, and a thrilling water slide. It also includes a water sprayer, ring toss, ball roller, and ball toss games for endless entertainment. Get ready for splashing and sliding in minutes. Simply attach a garden hose to the built-in sprayer once inflated, and let the summer fun begin. This outdoor play center is perfect for children aged 2 and up. It's designed to drain easily with a convenient plug, making cleanup a breeze. We design and test all our products to the highest safety standards. Enjoy affordable, innovative, and durable fun for your family. What we like. This inflatable pool offers a vibrant rainbow adventure for your backyard. It includes a wading pool, main pool, water slide, and various games like ring toss. If you are looking for a complete water play center with lots of activities for younger children, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The design is super cute, and the size is perfect for toddlers to play safely and comfortably. The quality really impressed me. It feels durable and well-made, not like those flimsy pools that easily tear. The slide actually does work quite well. I didn't expect it to. I figured the kids would just climb and roll around on it and stuff, but it actually does work. Number 4. CozyBomB Magnetic Fishing Toys Game Set. Introducing the CozyBomB Magnetic Fishing Toys Game Set, perfect for little adventurers. It's designed to bring joy and learning to bath time and beyond. This set is a fantastic learning combo, featuring over 30 ocean animals in more than 10 vibrant colors. It makes learning about sea life an exciting party. It's an all-round educational tool that helps develop hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and social skills. It even introduces basic math concepts for preschoolers. Designed for multiple players, this game encourages interaction between kids or with parents. Enjoy a fun fishing and role-playing carnival together. The lifelike fishing poles are made with high-quality, anti-corrosive materials and strong magnets. They are a great match for water tables and pools, perfect for summer fun. This is a wonderful gift for toddlers and older kids alike, suitable for birthdays or just because. Buy with confidence, as it's a must-have companion for their growth. What we like. This magnetic fishing set provides a fun and educational way to play in the water. It features numerous colorful fish and lifelike poles for interactive competition. If you want a toy that enhances hand-eye coordination and color recognition while encouraging interaction, this is ideal for toddlers and young children. What people say. Comes with nets and fishing rods, no assembly required, has a storage bag with holes for easy drying and storing. The rods and nets are easy for little hands to use, and it's a great way to keep kids occupied. The magnetic parts are strong and work well. Number 3. Intex Inflatable Dinosaur Play Center. Get ready for an epic adventure with this inflatable dinosaur play center. It's perfect for hours of splashing and sliding fun in the sun. Beat the heat with the built-in water sprayer and waterfall features. This play center will keep your little ones cool and entertained all summer long. Watch them giggle as they slide down the volcano and splash into the pool. It's an exciting way to enjoy outdoor play. Included are 6 colorful balls to add even more fun. They can be inserted into the wall for extra interactive play. Designed with a soft landing mat for safety and constructed from durable vinyl, this play center is built to last summer after summer. With ample space, multiple children can join in the island adventure together. It measures 95x75x43 for plenty of room to play. What we like. This inflatable dinosaur play center brings a prehistoric adventure to your backyard. It features a volcano slide, water sprayer, and waterfall for endless fun. If you have kids who love dinosaurs and want an engaging water park experience with safety features like a soft landing mat, this is a great option. What people say. The back part sprays water, but since it's over to the side, they don't have to get sprayed if they don't want to. It's roomy and nice, plenty of room for a few toddlers or an even older child to join in the fun. The waterfall feature works well and my family enjoys it. It's a cute setup and looks exactly like the pictures. Number 2. Watermelon Ball JR Durable Fillable Pool Toy. Get ready for splashing good fun with this exciting new water game. It's a favorite for families, bringing roaring excitement to pool time for kids, teens, and adults alike. The fun never ends with this versatile toy. Dribble it underwater, bounce it, or toss it around for endless entertainment at summer parties, beach trips, and backyard cookouts. Filling it up is a breeze with the included adapter. Get ready for serious pool fun in seconds, and enjoy hours of play. This toy is perfect for any outdoor water sport or beach game. It encourages active play and teamwork, whether you're in the backyard pool or at the beach. Get everyone out of the house and into the water this summer. It's perfect for aqua activities and will keep kids and adults occupied for hours. Made with strong PVC, this toy is built for durability. Enjoy lasting fun and create unforgettable memories with your family. What we like. This Fillable water ball offers a unique and exciting way to play in the water. It can be used for underwater games, water polo, and general splashing. If you are looking for a durable toy that encourages active play and teamwork for kids, teens, and adults alike, this is a perfect choice for parties and beach trips. What people say. It's a ball that sinks and floats. The rubber it's made out of is thick, so I'm not afraid it's going to break anytime soon. It encourages movement and teamwork, great for kids, teens, and adults. Number 1. Nuby Wacky Waterworks Pipes Bath Toy. Make bath time an adventure with the Wacky Waterworks pipes. This engaging toy is designed to spark your baby's imagination and encourage early learning through play. Watch as your little one explores the different pipe configurations. They can pour water through, creating a mesmerizing flow that captivates and entertains. This toy is more than just fun, it aids in cognitive development. By experimenting with the pipes, babies learn about cause and effect and problem solving. Designed with parents in mind, it's easy for little hands to grasp and manipulate. Cleanup is a breeze, ensuring more playtime and less hassle. Crafted from safe, durable materials, it's built to withstand countless hours of splashing fun. Enjoy peace of mind while your child plays. Transform ordinary bath time into an extraordinary experience. It's the ideal companion for keeping your baby happy and engaged in the tub. What we like. This bath toy features interactive pipes designed to stimulate cognitive development. It allows babies to explore water flow and cause and effect. If you are seeking a bath time toy that is both entertaining and educational, promoting learning through play for your little one, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The way the water flows through the pipes and spins the wheels keeps little ones completely entertained. My child loves experimenting with turning valves and seeing how water changes direction. It's like a mini science lab in the bathtub. The suction cups hold firmly to the wall, and the pieces stay in place even with lots of splashing. The plastic feels high quality and easy to clean, which is a must for bath toys. Kids can rearrange the pieces, pour water, and watch how it flows through the pipes, which keeps them entertained far longer than typical bath toys. The suction cups stick surprisingly well to the tub wall and don't constantly fall off, which makes playtime much less frustrating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.